This is the lower portion of the mast. This is the stud for the spreaders. This is the upper section of the mast, and this is the seam in between. And this is the alignment and securing screw. To pull the mast apart, we're going to remove the screw and then pull the sections. Okay, to begin with, we're going to remove the screw. This is a Phillips head 1024 machine screw, and it's out of the way. So this is the removal of the mast base from the lower section of the mast. Here's our lower section, the main halyard cleat, main halyard here, jib halyard here, and the spin halyard comes out the front. There's a 1032 on either side of the mast, so we'll just go ahead and remove that. And then flip it over for the one on the other side. And this comes straight out, and you can see that there are 3 sheaves on the inside, jib halyard, main halyard, which don't have bearings in them, but the spin halyard does. There's a pin that's press fit that goes through all 3 of them. Be very careful when you take this out that you don't accidentally put it back in twisted. To reinsert it, just tighten up the lines gently. That'll keep it aligned, and put your screws back in. We're now ready to reassemble the mast. We have the lower section here with the inner splice, upper section. This is where the screw will end up going through the inner piece. I've also got the spinnaker halyard here, which I left attached to the base when I took the mast apart, and I can look now to see it's not spiraled around the mast, which means my upper and lower sections are still correctly indexed to each other, and I haven't twisted anything. I've pulled the inner lines in tight. I've coated this section with a dry lubricant, so now we're ready to assemble. And oh, look at that, got the want to get the track just as close as we can together, and once we've got that, we can then go ahead and put the screw in, which will secure the pieces together. And that's it.